Need to restore data from a CubeBackup CBU file for your Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 backup? These files contain critical cloud data backups. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing CubeBackup data files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single CBU file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A backup file created by CubeBackup, a self-hosted backup tool for Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 data. Users interact with CBU files when they need to restore emails, documents, or other cloud data from a local backup repository created by the software. The CBU format is a proprietary container, likely a compressed archive, similar to zip or tar, holding the actual data, e.g., EML files for emails, DOSX for documents, along with metadata for restoration. This design allows for efficient storage and reliable versioned recovery of user data. CubeBackup Inc. defined CubeBackup as the application primarily intended for CBU. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows shows only the file's presence, but exploring the contents requires proper backup software. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your CBU file, then select Open With. Try CubeBackup if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. If your CBU file will not open, do not worry. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, restoring with CubeBackup software. Install CubeBackup and use the management console to restore from CBU files. Browse the backup repository, select the desired snapshot, and choose Restore Destinations, whether to original cloud accounts or local download. The software handles authentication and data reconstruction automatically. Next, browsing backup contents. Use CubeBackup's web interface to browse backup contents without full restoration. Navigate through the backup structure, preview emails, documents, and files, then selectively restore specific items. This granular approach saves time when recovering individual lost items rather than full accounts. Finally, migrating to different storage. CubeBackup supports migration of CBU repositories between storage backends, including local disk NAS or cloud storage like S3 and Azure Blob. Use the migration tools to relocate backup data while maintaining all snapshots and the ability to restore historical data states. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.